yeah, being the defending champion, it's good to get that first stage win off the back, and yeah, it's continuing on well. There's still a long way to go. There's obviously something in store for me, and you just got to play the cards out and just keep in the game. So we'll see how we go.
You have to be really focused, because after there is some stones or some small camel grass, and if you miss one of them, it's big disaster.
It's quite hard to try and make and catch time, because it's just yeah, just wide open and full gas. So we're still trying to fight for a podium position. We're happy with that. I'm quite glad to keep my podium streak going. This for me is a big achievement. Come back hopefully bigger and stronger next year.